you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Renegade Trailhawk in black clear coat. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, 2 front tow hooks, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D6738.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.